Hello again from Healing Mind. This is Janisha Bhatt with yet another positive message. As you can see, there is a ball in this image and there are lines drawn. The line that goes down is the line where the ball falls down, and the line that goes up is the height of the ball that bounces back. So whenever you feel that there is a throw down in your life due to any reason whatsoever, just imagine that it's in a slow motion yet a little bit fast. So think when you're going down that you can rise up. You can rise up as high as you wish to be. It is said, fall 7 times, rise up 8. So whenever your life is throwing you down because of different reasons, you might feel that it's too fast that you're going down and it may take a lot of time for you to rise above. But just imagine that this ball is the same. It goes down and it rises back. Just that maybe these actions happen in slow motion in your life, even if they seem to be much faster. But just believe that you can bounce back and you will bounce back. It's just a matter of time. And it's just a matter of your attitude and the way you think. The more you think that you can rise up, the more you will rise up. The ball does not think, I will not be able to rise up again, or I will not be able to bounce. You remember, even if the ball is out of the hawa that you fill in, or even if the ball is out of the air that is filled inside it, it still bounces a little bit and then stops. So we know that yes, it's the time for us to fill the air inside. But ball does not think that I have no enough air to bounce. The ball bounces. Even if it's just a little bit, the ball still bounces. And when you fill the ball with required amount of air inside, it bounces back like anything. Similarly, if you feel that you may not have all the resources to bounce back, if you feel that you may not get any person or any resource or anything reliable to bounce back, but just wait, just keep on trying. Don't stop like the ball does not stop. Just keep on bouncing, keep on trying, keep on making your efforts, and I'm sure someday, one day, you will bounce back. Thank you so much. Stay positive, stay calm.